Customs Commissioner, retired Chief of Staff General Ray Leonardo Guerrero, has remained untainted by corruption, at least as of this date and as far as this representation is concerned. But while he has reportedly managed to maintain his integrity intact, his leadership is challenged by his apparent failure to exact the same level of honesty and integrity from his subordinates, which true and real leadership is all about. My sources confirm that the following departments and sections in the Bureau of Customs continue to take their tara per container, supposedly distributed as follows. For the Office of the Commissioner, an average of 5,000 pesos per container plus 10% of the collections of each section or office directly under OCOM or Office of the Commissioner. 3,000 for Intelligence Group, 1,000 to 2,000 pesos for the Enforcement Group, 3,000 pesos for the Risk Management.